Did you know that the train journey from London to Rome is considered one of the most beautiful routes in Europe? First, take the Eurostar from London St Pancras International to Paris Gare du Nord, which takes about 2 hours and 20 minutes. In Paris, transfer to the TGV high-speed train from Lyon to Milan Central Station in Italy. Along the way, you pass through the French countryside and the Alps, and the scenery is stunning. After a short stop in Milan, continue on Trenitalia's Frecciarossa high-speed train straight to Rome's Termini station. This journey is not only comfortable and convenient, but you can also enjoy amazing views all the way from the English Channel to central Italy.